Hello everyone and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm Alex and I'm so excited you're here with me today. Our word of the day is anticipate. It's a B2 level verb that means to expect or predict something. It's such a useful word in both formal and casual English, so let's dive right in. To anticipate means you're looking forward to something or preparing for what you think will happen. For example, you might say, I anticipate that the meeting will take a few hours, meaning you expect it to last a while. Or, we need to anticipate potential problems and find solutions ahead of time, showing you're predicting issues and planning for them. Some great synonyms for anticipate are expect, foresee, and predict. Here are a few examples. I expect traffic to be heavy during rush hour. The scientist could foresee the challenges of the experiment. The team tried to predict how the weather would affect the game. Each of these words works in a similar way to anticipate. On the flip side, antonyms for anticipate include doubt, ignore, and disregard. For instance, she didn't doubt her ability to pass the test, so she didn't prepare much. He chose to ignore the warning signs and continued hiking. The manager decided to disregard the feedback from the survey. These examples show the opposite of expecting or preparing for something. In everyday life, you can use anticipate in many different ways. Imagine you're planning a trip with friends. You could say, I anticipate an amazing time exploring the city together. Or if you're at work, you might say, we need to anticipate any delays in the project timeline. Even in casual conversations, it fits perfectly, like, I anticipate my favorite band releasing a new album soon. Let's wrap things up with a few more examples in sentences. The audience eagerly anticipated the announcement of the winner. She anticipated his reaction and tried to soften the news. We can anticipate that the holiday season will be busy for travelers. That's all for today's episode. We've explored the meaning of anticipate, its synonyms like expect and foresee, its antonyms like ignore and doubt, and plenty of examples to help you use it confidently. Thank you for tuning in, and if you enjoyed today's lesson, please subscribe to Hello Word and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover the show. I'd love to hear your own sentence using anticipate, so share it in the comments below. Until next time, keep learning and keep practicing.